Hey YouTube, welcome back to Russ's Retro Rides. Today we're going to be working on my 10th anniversary Trans Am, and we are going to be removing the driver's side door sail panel. As you can see, this kind of got a little bit damaged as it sat over the years. The actual vinyl was in pretty good shape, but I just want to take it off to get at the window motor so I can tear that apart, clean it, re-grease it so I can throw it back in and have an operational window. This window is going to have to be adjusted, so you'll probably see that in an upcoming video as well. It's actually rubbing and hitting into the metal up here instead of sliding up in and getting a good seal with the T-tops. I'm concerned that if I keep it the way it is, it'll end up shattering the glass, so that's why we're going to be taking this apart today. The only tool that you're going to need for this job is a Phillips screwdriver to remove the plastic that goes over your door handle, your mirror adjuster. There's 2 Phillips head screws there, and there's 3 Phillips head screws that hold the armrest in place, and then the rest of this panel is held in by plastic clips. So let's get into removing the lock portion first. This is just threaded on there like this, so you just unscrew it. Just like that, that's removed. You can see this is all faded and stuff, but this is actually the original door lock. Or not, this is the original cap that goes on the door lock indicator. The next thing that we're going to be doing is removing the screw that holds in the plastic housing for the door handle. That's held in by a single Phillips screw. There. And to get this off, you just want to pull this out and slide this away like this. Now, just so I don't lose the screw, I like to put the screw back in the threads where it came from because they're small and you just, it's just one less thing you're gonna lose. Let's slide on over here to the mirror adjuster. This is just a cable. It's a good idea when you have these apart to probably grease the cable a little bit. Mine actually moves, but it's sloppy. I'm not interested in sloppy, so we'll grease that up. All right, see the cable's right there. Hoping maybe they threw a build sheet. They've got a build sheet or something in here. I already found one build sheet, but it wasn't 100% complete. We forgot one thing though. Before you go trying to tear this off, make sure you remove your armrest. There are 3 holes here for Phillips head. It's kind of a gamble what's in there because you can't really see. Kind of shoot blind, but eventually we'll get it. Or you won't. Okay, I've got one left over here. All 3 of them appear to be flatheads, so maybe they are OD. And just like that, the armrest is off. Look at that, the tape is still in there from the factory. That's pretty cool. So I'll scrub this down and make it real nice and shiny again. But you'll see that probably in a different video. And now the next thing we've got to do is get this bad boy off the door. And it looks like, wow, that cardboard's still intact on the back of this thing. That's amazing. Actually amazing. Alright, so this door panel has definitely been off before. Definitely been off before. Well, it's probably a good thing that I took this apart anyway, because there's a clip in here that holds this in place and it looks like it was broke. So I'm going to have to be getting one of these at some point, which kind of sucks. But it's off, so I'll have to order one of those. But now you can pull the cable through here, and yeah, yeah, just like that. That's how you remove the driver's side interior door panel from your 79 Trans Am. My guess is that because they jammed the key in this thing to get it to start, they disconnected this and broke this in the process, so they didn't accidentally lock themselves out of their car, would be my guess. But alright, so that's this week's video. I haven't got much left to say on how to remove the interior door panel in your 10th anniversary Trans Am. It's pretty straightforward, and with a little bit of patience, you should be able to get it done by yourself. Make sure you guys are checking all your grounds and your cables and stuff too when you're doing it. But with that said, guys, thanks so much for stopping by, and we will see you in next week.